Honestly, I spent like 3 hours sculpting individual chips into a stone pillar once. I'm never getting that time back. But then I found one-click damage, or OCD, and it literally just does it for you. You just click a button and suddenly your boring, perfect mesh has these deep scars and weathered edges that actually tell a story. It's like magic, but with more math. The best part is the new hero module. If you need a hero asset that looks like it survived a medieval siege or years of neglect in a jungle, this is it. It generates these incredibly fine details that you can bake down to a low-poly mesh. I mean, you can even use it for typography. Just imagine taking a clean font and making it look like it was carved out of ancient crumbling rock in seconds. Because it's fully procedural, it doesn't fight you. You can change the damage pattern, erase it with masks, or sync the look across 50 different objects all at once. It saves so much sanity when you're working on a deadline, and your client suddenly wants the ruins to look slightly less ruined. It's just one of those tools that makes your work look 1,000 times more professional with zero extra effort.